How to upload existing project on GitHub. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload existing project on GitHub. To upload an existing project on GitHub, first of all you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type github.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of GitHub. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Also, if you haven't created any repository, you may click on this create a new repository option, and from there you can create one. But if you have already created it, go ahead and click on your repository to open it. And once you open it, here you will be able to see the option that says add file. Click on add file and you will be presented with two more options. Here you can see this upload files option. Click on upload files and you will reach to this page. In this page, here you will be able to see choose your files link. You need to click on this option, and after doing that, now you will be able to search for the file that you would like to add to your repository. Double click on the file to add it. You can see your file has been successfully added. If you have multiple files to be added here, you can simply repeat the process. Simply click on this choose your files option and then choose your file. And now after adding the files you would like to add, you need to now scroll down and here click on this commit changes. Click on commit changes and then there you will see you have successfully uploaded existing file to your GitHub account. So by following these steps, you should be able to upload existing project on GitHub account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.